The ETF Analyzer correlation page provides users with traditional and introduces new views of intermarket dependencies. The top portion allows the user to select a specific ETF to compare against. For example, let's compare the relationship between NASDAQ and gold. The first chart tracks price movement relative to comparable $1,000 investments in each. In this example, we notice a strong divergence beginning in 2013. The second chart shows correlation over time. The red line is the traditional correlation computed over this time period. The gold line computes a dynamic correlation model to track how the relationship changes. In general, the average correlation is rather low by either measure. But notice there are times when the correlations peak and other times when correlations are negative. Hover over the time series to observe specific correlation values. Control the time window using the slider and zoom controls at the bottom. The chart below is a quick snapshot of correlations with various asset classes. The top row shows recent changes in the dynamic correlation matrix and reports the most recent value. In this example, we observe a generally falling correlation between QQQ and GSG, a commodity index. The second row computes the traditional correlation and presents a scattergram of returns. Not surprisingly, we observe stronger correlation relationships with other equity ETFs. Finally, the bottom row presents an alternative dependency measure known as a copula. There are many types of copula dependency models, but one feature that makes this copula attractive is a property known as tail dependency, shown visually with the dotted bubbles. A larger bubble indicates more tail dependency. This means that as markets move in extremes, either up or down, the strength of the relationship increases. In the case of SPY and QQQ, this is quite strong. In the case of GLD and QQQ, the dots do not cluster in any meaningful way, and there is little to no tail dependency. This completes the ETF Analyzer correlation page.